now we fill up our water. We're going to use just a little bit of Dawn dish soap and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I cut a lemon and then I squeezed half a lemon in the water, and then we're going to give it a good wash down. And I recommend not to use a lot of soap in the water because we can't wash that soap away. Or, I mean, you can, but you will be there for a long time trying to get rid of all the soap and suds from the inside of the refrigerator. So just a little bit goes a long way. If you're wondering why the baking soda and why the lemon, well, baking soda takes the odor away and lemon gives it some freshness. It also helps take odor away as well, but we want it for the freshness.